I'm reviewing the FMC brand. The full form is Fix My Curls. It's an Indian brand made in India, and it's been in the community for 2 years. It's one of the most popular brands. They came out with the leave and stay and glaze gel 2 years ago, and this is what they are really popular in the community. But these did not work for me because it is really super high in protein, and my hair does not like protein. And they came out with their protein free line, and this is what I've been using a lot, like especially this whole month. These are the products that I've been using a lot. Fix My Curls products, they thrive when you use it in isolation. So if you're a product junkie, I do not recommend this for you. Like, don't cocktail it with other things. Best when you use the whole line together and not cocktailing with other brands. Okay, that's my top tip to you. Cleansing shampoo. This is actually my favorite in the whole line, and it's because it has apple cider vinegar, and you know how much I like my ACV rinses. ACV is apple cider vinegar, so I do these rinses all the time and I love it. My hair loves it, and I'm so happy that this shampoo has it, and it's protein free and it's clarifying. So my low porosity means that my hair is not so porous. So if I spray water on it or try to take a bath, try to wash my hair doesn't get wet very fast. That's because it's not porous. So hair like that needs a strong shampoo every week. Cleansing shampoo is clarifying and protein free, and it's awesome because it has ACV. Oh, that rhymed. Then they have this everyday shampoo. It's a co-wash. So it's a conditioner that is used to clean your hair, and it doesn't lather. Okay, so if you use this, don't take a lot. Just use little bit and work with it. It's doing its job. Okay, just that you won't feel it because of the lather. But once you rinse your hair out, it feels pretty clarifying to me, because again it has protein. So the cleansing shampoo is protein free. This one has protein. So what I do is I like using it, but not more than once a week. So hydrating deep conditioner. Now I don't know why they call it hydrating deep conditioner, because it's full of. So what I do is I use this like a regular conditioner. So if I'm co-washing, I will end with the hydrating deep conditioner and rinse it out immediately. I don't keep it in my hair. So similarly, if I'm using this cleansing shampoo, I will use this as a conditioner and rinse it out. I cannot deep condition with their deep conditioner. These are their styling products. So typically when you style curly hair, you want to use a moisturizer first and then a gel. So their curl quenching hair butter is a moisturizer. Okay, and it's protein free. Yay. So it has very unique ingredients. It also has like acai oil, takuma butter, and even almond oil. Okay, so now because it has all these oils, you want to be careful about how much quantity you use of this. Definitely use small quantities of this butter, because it literally looks and feels like butter. It has lots of oils, and you use too much of that, then your hair will be frizzy, right? It's the irony, too much moisture causes frizz. So what I do is that I use just like a tiny little bit on soaking wet hair, and I distribute it with a brush so that it gets distributed evenly all throughout my hair. Okay, so use less of this butter. Flaxseed jelly. So it paper, it's protein free, but I think it has a little bit of protein. Don't quote me, don't quote me. Looked up some of the ingredients, okay, like even you can do that. There is something called plant proteins, okay, like for example, aloe vera, it mimics protein, like how a protein behaves on your hair. That's how aloe will behave on your hair. So aloe vera is a plant protein. Chia seed is also protein. So overall, on paper it is protein free, but it has a little bit of protein, which is good because we do need protein. I mean, hair is made of protein. Okay, so there's nothing wrong with that. With the regular wear and tear, with the humidity, we need protein for our hair. So I'm not completely protein free. I like protein in like tiny amounts, small amounts. So that's why this is perfect. This gel, because it has those tiny amounts of plant proteins, giving me those tiny amounts of proteins that my hair likes. If you have a different hair texture, for example, if you have fine hair or wavy hair different than mine, then you might appreciate their protein line. This one, different hair texture than mine, you might appreciate the protein line. But if you have similar hair texture like me, which is thick, coarse, low porosity, then go for the protein free. So I hope you enjoyed watching it. To let me know if you like this. I would be happy to do the same thing with other brands that I use. I was just really using this so much the whole month, so I figured it's a good time to show you, tell you my review and what I really think about Fix My Curls. Okay, thank you for watching.